Welcome back to Return My Capital. We've got the Sunday Dividend Roundup video, we'll call it. If you're unfamiliar, this is where I'm going to dish out the latest on any dividend changes. So, dividend increases, dividend cuts, suspensions. I'll let you know of anything that was announced recently. And then we're going to jump into ex-dividend dates for the week ahead. This is going to be for the week of June 12th. And we'll wrap up with dividend payouts that you can be expecting this week. So, kind of like a nice all-encompassing product for you dividend-focused investors, folks that like to keep an eye on, keep the pulse of their portfolio, know what to expect. If you have money show up in your brokerage account, you've got some cash sitting there from a recent dividend payment, well, now you'll know which company paid out. So let's jump right into it. Really just two dividend increases last week that I wanted to touch on. The first one was Universal Health Realty Income Trust, UHT, just a 0.7% increase. They've been paying a dividend for 38 years now, almost a 6% yielder for them. And then the other one was United Health Group, UNH, big time health insurance company. And they announced just 14% increase to that dividend payment, as they have been a dividend growth beast for the past several years. 1.5% yield, 14 years of dividend growth. I think shares are up somewhere. This is about to be a wide range I'm going to give you, but somewhere between $400 and $600. It's been a tremendous stock. I think it's up something like 600% over the last 10 years. I don't know. But yeah, anyway, so that's it for the dividend increases. No suspensions, no cuts. So that's good news, at least that I wanted to share. So we'll jump into ex-dividend dates now. And so again, these are companies where if you want to be a part of their next dividend payout, the companies will start with for Monday. It just means that they have an ex-dividend date on Tuesday. So the three companies I'm going to cover for Monday, June 12th, they all go ex-dividend on Tuesday, June 13th, meaning that you need to have owned the shares prior to Tuesday. So Monday's your last chance to buy. If you want to get paid out the dividend payment for those companies on the corresponding payout dates. So first company was HP Inc. HPQ is the ticker symbol. They'll pay out July 5th, 26, just about 26 cents a share, $30 a share, so 3.5 yielder. Lamb Research Corporation, LRCX, they will also pay out July 5th, and they pay out $1.72 per share, and that's because the shares are going for a little over $600 there on Lamb Research, big time chip company. So just slightly over a 1% yielder. And then another chip company will round out Monday, June 12th for us, and that is NXP Semiconductors. NXPI is the ticker symbol. Excuse me, July 6th will be the payout for them, pay just over $1 per share. Again, expensive shares here, $185, but a little over a 2% yield on NXPI, 6 years of dividend payments there from them. So that'll cover Monday. Let's keep ripping here because there are a lot. This is going to be a little bit of a beast of a video. I'm probably going to lose my voice by the end of it. So Tuesday, you got to own these companies on Tuesday because they go ex-dividend on Wednesday. And so this will be June 13th for Tuesday, June 14th, Wednesday, ex-dividend date. Kicking things off for us for companies you need to buy on Tuesday would be Booz Allen Hamilton. BAH is the ticker symbol. I think big time consulting company. And June 30th will be the payout date, 47 cents per share, almost a 2% yielder there for Booz Allen Hamilton. You've got Best Buy, ticker BBY. July 6th will be the payout date for Best Buy, 92 cents per share. Shares are about 75 per right now, so almost a 5% yield for Best Buy. We've got Crown Castle, CCI is the ticker. Big time, I want to say cell tower and data center REIT. I think they're kind of like whatever, it doesn't matter. $1.56 per share payout, so 5.5% yield on their $114 share price. Digital Realty Trust, that's the other one I was trying to think of, the Crown Castle, at least in terms of the segments that they operate in as REITs. They kind of remind me of each other. Anyway, Digital Realty Trust also in there. DLR is the ticker symbol. And they'll pay out June 30th as well, $1.22, $105 a share, just about 4.7% yield on DLR. Domino's Pizza, DPZ, June 30th payout, $1.21 per share. Shares are still $300, although Domino's is down significantly over the last 2 years in share price, but 1.6% yield on Domino's. You've got Eastman Chemical Company, EMN is the ticker symbol. July 7th payout date, almost, let's see, 79 cents per share, almost 80 cents in dividend payments. $80.50 per share, almost a 4% yielder on Eastman Chemical. You've got Extra Space Storage, EXR, another REIT, June 30th payout, $1.62 per share, 4.5% yield. Gilead Sciences, GILD, Guild, June 29th payout, 75 cents per share, $78 is the current share price, a little bit under a 4% yield on Gilead. Leggett and Plot, LEG, leg is the ticker symbol. Well, they've only been paying a dividend for 52 years now for this Dividend King. Their next payment will be on July 14th. 46 cents per share will be the payment, and the yield is hovering up near 6%. And we'll see how long Leggett and Plot can keep that dividend and hang on to that streak, because they have been struggling. A lot of furniture and office furnishings. That's their operations. Altria Group, another Dividend King, 53 years for MO. July 10th will be the payout date, 94 cents per share. Shares are at 45 bucks, just over, so a little over 8% yield on Altria. And yeah, if you're a dividend-focused investor, you know all about Altria and the sin stock tobacco play that it is. We've got Medical Properties Trust, MPW is the ticker symbol, a healthcare REIT. Um, Basically like doctors' offices, clinics. They've really been struggling though, and that's why you see that 12.5% yield on MPW. Shares $9, 9.19, and the next dividend payment on July 13th will be 29 cents per share. Again, we'll see. We'll see how long NPW can hang in there. As you know, the whole REIT and commercial real estate sector is in flux right now. We've got Merck and Co., Merck and Company. MRK's ticker symbol. July 10th will be the payout date, 73 cents per share, a little over $110 per share. It's a 2.5% yielder. Motorola Solutions, MSI is the symbol. July 14th payout, 88 cents per share. Shares are $278, so 1.27% yield. You've got Spartan Nash, SPTN. June 30th will be the payout date, 21.5 cents per share, $22 per share, almost a 4% yield on Spartan Nash. Telephone and Data Systems, TDS, not a very commonly talked about company, but almost a Dividend King. June 30th payout, 18.5 cents per share, almost a 10% yield. I might have to look more into that one. That's kind of some funky metrics. Shares are only 7.45 per. Interesting. I don't know. Anyway, moving on. Thermo Fisher Scientific, TMO, is the ticker symbol. That is a company that is not struggling. July 14th payout date, 35 cents per share. Well, shares are trading for $518. So just a 1/4% yield on Thermo Fisher Scientific. T. Rowe Price, T. Rowe is the ticker symbol. Asset manager. Had a rough year or two rather. June 29th payout date, $1.22 per share, 4.25% yield, $114.50 on that Dividend Aristocrat. Moving on to Wednesday. Got to buy these companies by Wednesday if you want to meet that ex-dividend date of Thursday. So June 14th is Wednesday. The ex-dividend date for all these companies is June 15th. Albemarle, I screw that name up constantly. Is it Albemarle, whatever. ALB is the ticker symbol. July 3rd is the pay date, and 40 cents will be the dividend payment. $220 per share, 0.7% yield on that material company. Amerisafe, AMSF is the symbol. June 23rd is the payout date. 34 cents, 2.5% yield. American Tower, AMT, July 10th payout date, $1.57 per share, and 3.33, geez, almost a 3.4% yield on American Tower. I'm talking too much. Avient Corporation, AVNT, July 7th pay date, almost 25 cents per share in payout, almost $40 on the share price, 2.5% yield. Chubb Limited, CB is the symbol, insurance play. July 7th is the pay date, 86 cents per share, 1.8% yield. Cincinnati Financial, CINF is the ticker symbol. July 14th will be the pay date, 75 cents per share, and almost a 3% yield on Cincinnati Financial. Dividend King. You've got Dick's Sporting Goods, DKS is the symbol, June 30th pay date. Nice even $1. Gotta love that. Makes life simple for schmucks like me. Trying to read all this. 3% yield on Dick's Sporting Goods. DTE Energy Company, a utility. July 15th pay date, 95 cents per share, 3.5% yield. Coca-Cola Company, KO symbol. Probably didn't need me to tell you that if you're a dividend investor. July 3rd pay date, 46 cents per share. Shares are still over $60 and slightly over 3% yield for Coke. NASDAQ, NDAQ is the symbol. June 30th pay date, 22 cents per share. Shares are trading for 57, almost $58, 1.5% yield on that dividend growth beast. You've got Prologis, PLD, ticker symbol, June 30th pay date, 87 cents per share in payment coming, almost a 3% yield on Prologis. Wrapping things up for Wednesday, we've got United Health Group, company we just mentioned with that glorious 14% dividend increase recently. Well, UNH, their next dividend payment will be on June 27th, $1.88 per share. Like I said before, those shares are almost $500 a pop. You have to be pretty wealthy to be selling covered calls on UNH. Yield is 1.5%. Moving into Thursday, June 15th, we've just got a few here. We're getting there, I promise. We've got Ecolab, ECL is the ticker symbol. July 17th is the payout date. They'll be paying 53 cents per share and a little over, well, let's say a 1.2% yield on Ecolab, dividend aristocrat. Hey, Garmin, GRMN is the symbol. Pay date of June 30th, 73 cents per share. 2.8, let's say, percent yield on Garmin. Pulte Group, big time home builder, PHM is the ticker symbol. It's actually kind of interesting with real estate. The home builders, real estate market's kind of frozen with how wonky the interest rates have been over the past 2 years and how rapidly they changed and the lack of supply on the market. So really the only game in town is to do new builds. So companies like Pulte Group, um, oh shoot, there's another company that I had on my mind, but they're actually doing extremely well because yeah, no one wants to sell because once you sell, you're gonna have to go get a new mortgage at a yeah, whatever. We don't need to get into that. But Pulte Group, they will be paying on July 5th, 16 cents per share, $72 on the share price, a little bit under a 1% yield. We've got Tootsie Roll Industries, TR, ticker symbol. Good old Tootsie Roll. They've been paying a dividend for 56 years, a yield a little bit under 1. Share price 38.50, and their next payout will be 9 cents. And then wrapping things up for Thursday, we've got Universal Health Realty Income Trust, the other company I mentioned, with a minimal dividend increase. UHT, June 30th, payout date, 72 cents per share, almost $50 per share on the price, almost a 6% yield for that dividend aristocrat. And then just one company for Friday, and that's Main Street Capital, ticker symbol MAIN, payout date of June 28th, 23 cents per share, $40 on the share price, almost a 7% yield for Main Street Capital. Whew. All right. That's it for ex-dividend dates. I promise. We made it through that. We're going to finish with the fun part, do a rapid fire because I get a little bit tired talking. We're going to finish strong, let you know who's paying you dividend payments this week. Again, this is for the week of June 12th, and we're just going to let it rip right through, let you know who's paying dividends this upcoming week. Analog Devices, ADI ticker symbol, paying 86 cents per share, 2% yield. Applied Materials, AMAT, June 15th will be the payment date, 32 cents per share. Arrow Financial, June 15th, 27 cents per share. Brunswick Corporation, BC, June 15th, 40 cents a share. Bank of Hawaii, BOH is the symbol, the 14th, and they'll be paying 70 cents per share. CDW Corporation, CDW ticker symbol, you get bonus points for that. June 13th pay date, 59 cents a share. CSX Corporation, oh, look at this, ticker symbol, CSX, back to back, baby. June 15th pay date, 11 cents a share. Cintas Corporation, CTAS symbol, June 15th pay date, $1.15 a share. Dover Corporation, DOV is the ticker symbol, and they'll be paying on the 15th, 50.5 cents. Correct me if I'm wrong on this, but I think Dover has been around for like over 100 years, and they might be a dividend king. I don't know. It sounds like a company that, if I'm remembering it correctly, hadn't really hardly heard of it, but it's been around since basically the stock market has been a thing in America anyway. Anyway, Duke Energy, big time utility, DUK symbol, June 16th pay date, little over $1 a share. Consolidated Edison, ED, ticker symbol, another utility, June 15th, 81 cents a share. Home Depot, HD ticker symbol, June 15th, 209 per share. Kellogg Company, K. Gotta love a single letter. That's when you know you've been around a while, when your ticker symbol is a single letter. But yeah, Kellogg Company, K. June 15th, 59 cents per share. L3 Harris, LHX, June 16th, $1.14 a share. Lindy, ticker symbol LIN, June 16th, $1.28, let's call it $1.27 and a half a share. Main Street Capital, Maine, paying out on the 15th, 23 cents a share. McDonald's, MCD is the symbol. They'll be paying out June 20th, $1.52 a share. MetLife, MET, Met is the symbol. June 14th pay date, 52 cents per share. NextEra Energy, NEE, ticker symbol, the 15th, and let's say 47 cents a share. Northrop Grumman, NOC, June 14th is the pay date, $1.87 per share. Realty Income Corporation, the monthly dividend payer, ticker symbol, June 15th, $25.50 a share. Excuse me, 25.5 cents a share. That'd be pretty awesome if they were paying $25.50 a share. Old Republic International, ORI is the symbol, June 15th, 24.5 cents a share. Polaris, PII, June 15th, 65 cents a share. Prudential Financial, PRU, the 15th as well, $1.25. We've got Stag Industrial, Stag ticker symbol, STAG, June 15th, 12 cents a share. Stanley Black & Decker, SWK. Last time I checked out their share price, they were struggling pretty bad too. But SWK, they'll be paying out on June 20th, 80 cents a share. Yields up getting close to 4, so yeah, that's come up. Skyworks Solutions, SWKS, June 20th, 62 cents per share. Thomson Reuters Corporation, TRI, June 15th, 49 cents. Tractor Supply Company, TSCO symbol, June 13th, $1.03. Tyson Foods, TSN. Man, oh man, did they get hammered after their last earnings if you saw that. June 15th, pay date, 48 cents per share. Whirlpool Corporation, WHR, June 15th, $1.75. Last one, Waste Management, WM, June 16th, 70 cents per share. Whew. All right, those are all the payments this week upcoming. Covered some nice raises there, especially from United Health, UNH, and went over the ex-dividend dates for the week. So hope you enjoyed it. Hope it'll be valuable for you. Like I said, I'm going to try and do this. Didn't say it today. I've said it previously. I'm going to try and do these every Sunday, so it kind of gives you like a lowdown and dirty of the week upcoming, and then recent news of, let's say, a dividend suspension or a dividend raise or a dividend cut. So yeah, I'll try and keep this going. I'll keep them all pinned to my Dividend Roundup playlist on YouTube there, and hope you got something from it. Hope it's worth your time or not. I don't know. But thank you for watching. Take care. If you get something from it, you don't want to miss them, like, subscribe if you don't mind. Let's make some money. Bye-bye.